False is removed from the list when removing other elements from list. I wrote a function to remove all zeros from a list of elements with different data types. But while removing the zeros, the Boolean value false is also removed. But when I change it to true, it is not removed. I tried many different methods for doing this, but the result is the same. The output is 1, none, 2, 1. How can I do this without getting the false value removed?
False and true are equal to 0 and 1 respectively. If you want to remove 0 from a list without removing false, you could do this. Since false is a single object, you can use is to check if a value is that specific object.
You could try this code. This loops over all the items on the array, then checks if it is an integer or float, and if it equals 0, then deletes it if it does. The reason false was getting removed is because false, when stored on the program, evaluates to 0.
You can try this. Or you can try this. After running any of this, you should get 1, none, 2, false, 1.